So you've got a website, but is it getting the traffic it deserves? Is it ranking high on search engine results? Are potential customers finding your business when they search for products or services like yours? If the answer is no, or even not sure, then it might be time to consider your SEO strategy. Introducing Marketgoo, a DIY SEO tool designed to help you grow your online visibility. This isn't just any SEO tool. Marketgoo is intuitive, easy to use, and effective, and it's here to make your website stand out in the crowded online marketplace. While there are many SEO tools out there, some can be complex and confusing, especially for beginners. Marketgoo, on the other hand, is user-friendly and accessible, perfect for every skill level. From the absolute beginner to the seasoned pro, everyone can benefit from the features Marketgoo offers. Signing up is easy and quick. Immediately, you'll receive an instant SEO report about your website, highlighting areas for improvement to help grow your reach online. But Marketgoo doesn't just tell you what's wrong, it shows you how to fix it. With a complete website report and simple step-by-step instructions, you'll have everything you need to optimize your site and start seeing results. And there's no need to wait. As soon as you add the Marketgoo SEO add-on to your hosting plan, you'll receive actionable steps that can be implemented right away. But what about tracking your progress? Marketgoo has got you covered. With continuous updates and monthly reports, you'll be able to see how your SEO strategy is performing over time. And if you ever need help, you'll have access to professional assistance on demand. With Marketgoo, you're never alone in your SEO journey. So what makes Marketgoo stand out? It's simple. With Marketgoo, you can create a memorable and engaging brand that your customers will love. You can ensure that your brand messaging, product offerings, services, and market differentiators are visible on popular search engines, helping to engrave your brand's image into the minds of your prospective customers. In the world of SEO, Marketgoo is a game changer, making SEO accessible, understandable, and effective. So, why wait? Start your SEO journey with Marketgoo today and watch as your online visibility grows. Call us today by dialing 1-866-814-0770 or by going to our website, hotwirenetworks.com.